You want to know a really cool way to fix carpal tunnel or wrist pain, not even being in that arm of issue? If you do, I want to show you what I've taught to my patients for the past 28 years. I've taught it to over 15,000 clinicians worldwide. My name is Tom Dalonzo-Baker. I'm a physical therapist from Raleigh, North Carolina, and I want it to be your turn to see the aha moment when you realize that nobody's been treating you in the trunk and the legs, which can be the quickest fix for wrist pain. What do I mean by that? Well, how many of you believe the body's all connected? We all do, right? So why are we staying just in the arm and the wrist trying to fix it? Well, chances are, if you've been trying to fix it or had it tried to fix for several clinicians and you still got pain, the reason is because they're only looking in the region of injury. So let's go elsewhere and show you the two cool motions that I've done on my patients to change carpal tunnel pretty quickly. I like to just dive right into it to treat it and then explain it later. Okay, so let's get to it. So most of you with carpal tunnel have an issue, maybe bending that way, upward, to the side, to the right. What I want you to do is go ahead and do it. Okay, find the positions that hurt you. All right, let's stick with one of them. You can do two if you want, but go ahead and go, oh yeah, that hurts. Be sure to say, oh, my elbow's bent when I do it. Ooh, that hurts. Maybe when it's straighter, it's even worse, or the other way. So go ahead and find it. Now let's score that yucky, all right, or that bad or hard. All right, so the way we score it, we don't use a scale 1 to 10, we use 1 to 100. A low amount of issue, it just hurts some, is a 10, 20, or 30. The higher the number, the worse it is. A medium amount of issue is 40, 50, or 60, and a higher amount is a 70, 80, 90, or 100. So go ahead and go, oh yeah, that hurts. You might go, that's a high medium, and it's a 60. Beautiful. Again, 10, 20, 30, low. 40, 50, 60, medium. 70, 80, 90, 100, high. So I just have a score. Don't think too much about it. Just give it whatever you say, boom. All right? Now, we're going to go and fix it by doing the legs and the trunk. All right, so what we're going to do, very simple, is you're going to twist and find the motion that moves easier, but at the same time, find the motion that is restricted. So I go, that's a little bit tighter, not much. It's a very low, it's like a 10. But that way I know that one's a harder one. Some of you may go, yeah, they feel equal. Well, really make sure of it. And then what I usually have to say is, all right, they're equal. That's awesome. You have two goods to try to fix your wrist with. But if you had to do 1,000 this way, or you had to do 1,000 that way, which one feels slightly better? And I would say this one. Awesome. So now if you got a big issue and you go, oh yeah, that bothers me. If I had to score that one, that one's a 50. Okay, we want to fix it too. So this feels good, all right? That one doesn't. And then my wrist doesn't, with my elbow straight. When I go up, ow. So let's call that a 60. Let's call this a 50. And I'm going to go to town on it. On the good direction of motion. So I'm going to do 2 sets of 20. 2 sets of 20, okay? So do it. All right? I'm going to talk to you as we do it. So you're going to get to 20. Make sure you're getting all the way to end range. Many people, when they're doing an exercise, they think they have to sit up really tall or something. No. What's comfortable for you? Maybe it's neutral. Maybe it's a little slouch. Whatever's the most comfortable to twist with like. Go ahead and do it. Some people then say, now we rest. And they say, how long do we rest for? Because I just said do 2 sets of 20. And I'd say, I don't know how conditioned or deconditioned you are, but wait until you say, I'm ready to do it again. That could be 15 seconds, 30 seconds, a minute. I don't know. Again, you're conditioning. So when I get done, I go ahead and do it again. 2 sets of 20, or one more set of 20 reps. Really getting the end range. Okay? Really getting the end range. Now, I'm not going to do all 20 because for time. Okay? Now, what I do, let's say I've reached 20. I'm going to go now. Remember that was a 50. I'm going to come over here and go, ooh, that's like a 25 now. I'm going to put my elbow out and I'm going to come up and I say, what the world? That 60 is now a 30. So everything fixed 50%. I was like, I'm trying to head to 0. So it worked. If it worked on either of those, you're going to do it again. Another 2 sets of 20. Okay, really getting end range. 2 sets of 20. So now I've finished up those 2 sets. Stop the camera, go ahead and do another 2 sets. It worked for you. After you finish those 2 sets, you've now done 4 sets. Recheck this and you go, that's good, that's a 0. Recheck this and you might say, that's plateaued. It's still a 30. It still hurts, it's still a 30. Okay, I always say once something plateaus the first time, just do this one more time. 2 sets of 20, one more time. Okay, because sometimes you need that deeper level. So really get in there, just going to the good. We're only going to the direction of motion that felt really good. Recheck this, it still feels awesome, and check this again. If it's better, awesome. Keep doing it. If it's not better and you say I've plateaued twice, right? I plateaued, I didn't get better, now it still stayed worse. Cool, no worries. So this one, issue went from a 60 to 30, it stayed a 30. This one fixed up. Now I want to go to my legs to fix the carpal tunnel or the wrist pain. So what I'm going to do is I don't like to have the back of my chair with me, but it's okay if you do it like this. But I want to show you what it looks like. I'm going to put my leg straight out, heel on the ground. I'm going to kick up and I'm going to compare my left side to my right side. Now, as long as some people think they have to sit up straight as they do it, no. As long as this thigh is getting closer to the chest, you're doing awesome. Okay? Same way here. And fine, you go, oh yeah, that one bothers me. It's like a 40. Okay? It's a medium low, low medium. Okay? So again, 10, 20, 30 is a low, 40, 50, 60 is a medium, and a 70, 80, 90, 100 is high. Don't overthink it. Just give yourself a score because now you know we're only heading to 0. So now what we do, let me just put this up a little bit. What we do is we have a shoulder issue a little bit, right? Sorry, not a shoulder. We have a trunk motion that was all better, but we're going to make sure it stays better with our leg. We have a issue here. It's a 30. The twist got better, so for me it was a 0. But my right leg, I called a 40. Cool. I'm going to come over, see the process. I'm going to do this one now. And I'm going to do 2 sets of 15 because it's a leg, it's heavier. All right? And I'm going to do this for 2 sets of 12 to 15. If you're deconditioned, you only get 8 or 10, that's fine. All right, I'm going to do it. And when I get done, I'm going to rest until I say I'm ready to do another set. Then I'm going to come along and do another set. Okay, let's just say I got to my 12 or 15 of them done. Now, I'm going to recheck this right yucky that was a 40. Woo, that's good. And let's just say, for the sake of it, that's good. It feels like the other side. If it doesn't, you just say it went from a 40 to a 20. And then you recheck this. Recheck your wrist with your straight elbow. And you go, whoa, it began at a 60. It plateaued at a 30. That's like a 10. It's working. The legs are working to fix it. All right, cool. Go over and do some more. And we're trying to get everything to 5 or less, but it's okay if we only get 50% better. That's pretty cool. So do another 2 sets. Recheck the bad leg. Recheck the trunk twist. Make sure it's doing it. Recheck this. You will be blown away how well this works. The idea of, again, like I said, how many of you believe the whole body's connected? Then why in the world have we stayed up in the region of injury and didn't know how powerful the rest of the body was to fix something? At first it looks awkward and weird, doesn't it? You almost want to be skeptical until you see it work and feel it work, and you're like, dag. That's the deal. When you go in to get therapy somewhere, or you're doing it on yourself, you should see improvement right then and there. Maybe it's not on the region of injury, but if the rest of the body's collectively getting better, this will eventually get better too if you get the right motion and you know how to test yourself into one degree of motion, 2 degrees, and 3 degrees. Right? As long as you know how to do 3-dimensional motion eventually, you'll get this thing, chances are, significantly better. and perhaps gone. But you gotta know that there's 3 body regions you need to treat. The arms, the trunk, which includes the neck if need be, and the legs. And nobody's including all of them. And if they're not, well, your whole body's connected. And if there's problems in the leg, do you see how now it's pulling up into the shoulder, which is pulling down, which may be giving you the carpal tunnel, and nobody has shown you this. And here's the deal is, as some of you, maybe you've had your wrist problem for less than 3 weeks. This might take care of it. And God bless you if it does. Most of you have had things longer than 3 weeks. You've had it 3 months, 3 years, 30 years perhaps. And you just had the first change you've ever had. Well, guess what? You've got to get more training. And down below, you're going to see that there are links. One for the general public, which is outsmartpain.com. One for clinicians, which is totalemotionrelease.com. Taught this to over 15,000 clinicians worldwide to learn how to use the full body to help you fix. And I really want to emphasize that once you know this, you can use it for a lifetime for any ache or pain. Once you know how to progress these motions. Because I say it like this, is that I was a math teacher before I was a PT, physical therapist. And basically what I just showed you is single digit addition. I showed you the basics. There's double digit and triple digit addition. There's subtraction, there's multiplying, there's dividing. And that's just the basics. And then there's advanced stuff like algebra, geometry, trigonometry, calculus. I don't know how severe of restrictions you have throughout your body. Maybe you got calculus restrictions. You got tons of them that need to be changed. Maybe you've got a few of them. And that's what I want to help you with. So the links down below take you to a page that show you a lot more treatments. They show you some more testimonials, and they show you why and stuff that works. But they're packages that range from $47 to $1,000 so that each and every one of you can at least get more training and get yourself more and more better. And I'm here for you at any time. If you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to hit the subscribe button if you got benefit from it. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.